In this video, I want to show you how to use the old analog timer system on old appliances. This particular one is a Whirlpool oven with baking, of course, but it doesn't matter if you have like an older stovetop or whatever. This is a Whirlpool. You can have a Maytag or a Hotpoint or whatever. So they primarily work the same way. So you're going to have a start time and a finish time. And the idea is to have it cooking at a later time and then stopping at a certain set point. So for this particular Whirlpool, what I'm going to first do is set the actual time on this big clock. So I'm seeing up here right now, it's approximately 2:15. So you have to go around a whole second or a whole 360 just to go 1 hour, just like a regular analog clock. So as you can see here, I have to push in, or rather, yeah, push in, and you see I have to go around a whole hour just to get it around one hour. So here is the minutes, of course, and that is the hour. And what did I say it was? 2:15. So in order to go to 2:15, I have to go forward, because right now I got it at 1:15. So push in firmly, go around 1. So now that's 2 o'clock. And I said, what, 2:15. So keep pushing. All right, now that's 2:15. All right, and so from there, I want to do a start time and a finish time. So let's say I want the start time to happen at 3 o'clock, so that's 45 minutes from now. So I just go to 3 o'clock is my start time. And you might have to push that in. And then let's say I want it to cook an hour. So I'm going to push this in and go to 4 o'clock. So that's 4 o'clock. And so when this hits 4, it'll start. But over here, I have to click on timer. And let's say I want to put it 400 degrees. And so right now the oven is not on, and it will not stay on, or it will not start until it gets 3 o'clock, because that's when I have my start time. And so what's going to happen is close to 3 o'clock, about 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to start preheating. This light's going to come on next to the preheat, and then at 3 o'clock it'll be ready to bake. It'll start baking. It'll bake at 400 degrees for 1 hour, and then at 4 o'clock it's going to shut off. And then you just have to take out whatever you have in there and then just click it back to off. This light will turn off after it's done preheating. Now if you just want to set the regular timer 1 through 60 minutes, what you would do with that is it's this red one. This red will go for 1 rotation, 360 degree rotation after 1 hour. So let's say I'm cooking something in the oven and I want to go counterclockwise to my desired cooking time, and that's separate from these. These won't even take into effect if you don't have it on timed. So let's say I want it at 20 seconds, or rather 20 minutes. As you can see there, I got it at 20 minutes. And then what's going to happen is this little orange thing is going to go around, and then after 20 minutes, it's going to ring, and then we're going to be good to go. And that's pretty much it. All right, so that's how to use an analog timer on an old appliance like an oven. Thanks for watching.